reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing chicken rice bowl from the brand of Bibigo, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So the package has 6 bowls in one box. So these are the ingredients. The nutrition facts I meant. And here are the ingredients. The price is $13.99 if you round up. Math fact for you guys. I'll see in the comments below and see what your answer is. And I'll grade you guys, and see if you're correct. And I'll tell the correct answer at the end of the video. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so here is one bowl. Let's read this short label here. Cooking instructions. Puncture. Puncture film with the fork once. Cook. Place rice bowl in the center microwave and cook for 5 minutes. Wait. Let stand for 1 minute before carefully removing from microwave. Enjoy. Gently peel film off the bowl and stir evenly. Enjoy. So, let's open this thing up. Since it's a film, let's open it. Let's not peel it, let's puncture it and cook it in the microwave. See you later, alligator. I heated this up in the microwave for 5 minutes and I let it rest for 1 minute in the microwave. That's the timer. Now let's carefully remove the film. Ooh, it's easy to remove. Oh my goodness, it's hot. Not a lot, but it is worth for a lunch after a hard day. There you go. So this is what it looks like. There's rice, chicken, broccoli, mostly edamame to me. Thankfully there's no onions. Thankfully. In my opinion, I don't really like it. There's bell peppers though, and there's carrots. Let's carefully stir it around and see. There is some type of sauce in there, which I don't know what it is. And there's also other foods in the brand of Bibigo, so try that out. I believe there are a lot more in Costco. At Costco. Anyway, let's try it. So since it's kind of still hot, I'm gonna try a small amount. Although I didn't taste the chicken, well, I'm gonna taste it right now. The chicken is very soft and it's hot. It's like a veggie bowl, although it has veggies, but it also has chicken. And I like the sauce, which I don't know what that is though. You guys should definitely try it. This will really, really make up your day. If you just buy a few bowls and you have like 6 members in your family, for example, your mom and there's like 4 children in your family, this will really, really save up time. Although it might take a few minutes or so to, puncture it and heat it and wait it. But if you have like 6 microwaves, which obviously you guys will not have, but if you have that, you just heat it, wait, and eat it. It's like a meal kit. Just heat it, serve, and enjoy. Like the box says. So press the subscribe button and click the like button, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Yeah, time to eat my lunch.